of you to wake up to. And our host Gul Panag is making the best of it while waiting for the 9 finalists of the Kingfisher Blue Mile Mission Everest to arrive in Lukla, Nepal. Would you take the chance that could change your life? One day you wake up and drag yourself to the 9 to 5 job, and the next day you're on your way for the trip of your life. Ankit की शादी में 5 दिन बाकी. Mom, Dad and Mangetar are all naraz, but dil hai razi. College, chai, dosti, masti, that's what turning 18 is about. But 3 days into your adulthood, would you set off on the longest, hardest journey you've ever known, all on your own? That's exactly what our youngest trekker, Naomi, has done. In fact, all 9 contestants did what very few choose to do. They dared to dream.
We're at Lukla and it's already getting a bit chilly here. And trust me, us super short runway pe land karna is an exciting and super experience. At 9,250 feet, Lukla starting point has sabhi trekkers or climbers ke liye. And there's only one way up from here. To walk the Blue Mile all the way to the base camp of Mount Everest.
It's a short hop from Kathmandu to Lukla. Sirf 1 घंटा. But if you are the kind that looks at life through a viewfinder, तो उस 1 घंटे में सारी जिंदगी जी लेगा. वैसे भी, the landing is so scary that your whole life will flash before your eyes.
The Lukla flight was amazing. It's one of the scariest flights in the world, but then it was quite thrilling because we were surrounded by scenic beauty everywhere.
9 strangers living practically in each other's pockets over 2 tough weeks.
But it was one very enjoyable ride because you tend to forget about the airplane ride and your focus is always on the mountains. The view is fantastic.
I was excited because I love the adrenaline rush, honestly. I like being on the edge is something that I really enjoy. So I really want to see what this airport is like. And then when I actually got off, I was like, wow, man, this is a very odd place to have an airport. Snow-capped mountains all around you and one runway just taking off, one dip, and you know, it was awesome. Lukla Airport was an awesome experience to me.
And then when we got down, we got around, we came up to a point where we could see the landing and take off for other flights that were taking place at the time. We realized what we had just completed was a magnificent achievement by that pilot, and there are very few number of pilots that are really certified to do that.
Who knew touching down could be such a high? For now, the excitement and energy is soaring.
Hello to the mighty 9. Congratulations for making it this far. It's no mean achievement considering you all have had to go through exhaustive campouts. Congratulations, I'm delighted to meet you all.
Thank you.
Wow, so are you guys excited?
Can't wait to get started.
The good old meet and greet. Well, icebreakers should happen here, and hopefully not at the Khumbu Glacier.
Chitashi Nokshi, welcome.
Well, the Kingfisher Blue Mile journey began with the meeting of 9 other participants. These people were the enthusiastic lot, and they already were thinking out of the box, wanting to do something different, something nice, something unique. The moment we saw them, I think we felt that these are the right people for the Everest Base Camp trek.
By the time we reach EBC, it's going to be -15, guys. So, yes. Is it going to get gradually colder, or are we going to find that suddenly we have reached and temperature dip?
No, so this is a gradual ascent. So that's why in Nepal this is an advantage, because you have lodges in every, high altitude. Like you go 100 meters, 200 meters, and you still find lodges. So when you're like trekking, it's better to wear light clothes.
You should be aware of the fact that you will feel warm when you trek.
Yes.
So you will be sweating a lot, and then you can't just take off your jacket because you'll catch immediate cold. Sure.
Drink lots and lots of water. So when we are in garmi, we know we're feeling hot and we're sweating and we're losing water. But the amazing thing about getting dehydrated in cold climates is you don't even realize it.
Yes,
that you're losing water. So, what is the thumb rule for how much water to drink?
Every day I think 4 to 5 liters should be good. And then when we get to the camp, I think you should try and have 2 liters extra. So keep it 7 liters.
It's also heated in the camps, so you're losing even more water.
Even more water.
Take responsibility to make sure the person next to you is drinking water, and of course, making sure that you find ways along the way to let go of that water. For girls especially.
It's more about your mental endurance as opposed to your physical endurance.
That's what I wanted to talk about.
Yep.
Could you tell us more about what you do for mental endurance and what kind of mental endurance is required, Tashi?
See, when I'm like trekking, all I think is just take one step and you'll reach somewhere. So it's like take one step and keep taking that step so that you reach your final destination.
Never think of the final destination.
Yes.
Like I'm reaching Phagding together. You'll never go anywhere. Just think I have to just take this step. And I think eventually when you keep that in mind, you will have a momentum. And also have a mantra, this is like with all the climbers.
Like prayers?
Prayers and also
Om Mane Padme Hum.
Om Mane Padme Hum, and also, the fact that you keep telling yourself this is temporary, the pain. Right, everywhere it is spoken
There's going to be
being...
pain, like physical and
Absolutely,
mental?
there will be, mentally
you might get like tired and
your
might
knees
get
will be
muscle pain,
shaking at some point of time, and you'll be like, oh my god, what's happening to me? It's a strange phenomenon, but then you have to deal with it.
And just say this is just temporary, and I think the success of being where you want to eventually will be higher than what you are going through. So it'll be absolutely great.
So there is going to be pain, because no pain, no gain.
Bring it on.
So are you guys ready?
Yeah.
They were picked for their fitness and their prowess.
Reaching here, I was expecting myself to be more tolerant to the climate, but I guess it's a bit different. It was not the way I was expecting.
But no test can tell if they are really ready, because it's all in the head.
The mountains are calling. It's almost like as if I was praying all this time. That I consider the mountains as Mother Goddess, and I almost felt as if Mother Goddess gave me a chance to come and visit her.
जब पता लगा था कि इसका रिजल्ट अनाउंस हो गया है और मैं सेलेक्ट हूँ, तो उस पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे मैं फिर अपने प्रिपरेशन के लिए जुट गया. मैंने जो भी एक्सपीरियंस ट्रैकर्स थे या फिर जो भी ऐसा कोई भी व्यक्ति था जो मेरे को थोड़ी बहुत भी टिप्स दे सकता था, मैंने उसको अप्रोच किया, मैंने उससे बात की, और जो भी उसने मेरे को अपना ओपिनियन शेयर किया, मैंने उसके हिसाब से फिर अपनी प्लानिंग करी. लास्ट मोमेंट पे मेरे को जो करेंसी के बारे में मेरे को पता लगा कि करेंसी नेपालीज में इसमें जो दिक्कत होती है वहाँ, तो फिर वो 100 रुपये के नोट मैं एक रात पहले मैं ढूंढने निकला और मैं पूरी गड्डी भर के मैं 100 का नोट लेकर आया था.
We begged and borrowed in airport as well for 100 rupees notes. Everyone else knows, huh?
जो भी सुना, जैसे भी तैयारी की, there's no knowing the tricks this trek has up its sleeve.
One more thing is that I used to walk every day. Like I don't have a bike anymore, so like I walk.
नहीं, मैंने भी ट्रेडमिल के ऊपर जो इंक्लाइन वाला मोड होता है, वो इंक्लाइन एंगल पे सेट करके मैं भी काफ़ी टाइम तक उस पर रनिंग करता था, क्योंकि मुझे पता था क्योंकि अब माउंटेन्स चढ़ने हैं, तो अब यही चीज़ है कि जो हम तैयारी कर सकते हैं.
अच्छा, माउंटेन चढ़ने के लिए इंक्लाइन कर लिया.
हाँ,
मेरे को
इंक्लाइन हल्का सा एंगल पे चढ़ूंगा तो सही रहेगा ना।
हल्का सा माउंटेन ऐसा रहता है और इतना इंक्लाइन कर दिया और चल लिया तो खत्म हो गया।
With pictures and videos that you see online, you think, yes, it's gorgeous. But I always knew it's Everest. It's not a piece of cake which you can just gobble down. So it was going to be difficult. So I was always prepared, you know, that it was going to be an arduous journey. It was going to be very difficult. But at the end of it all was going to be completely worth it.
So, is there head in the game? Today should be a walk in the park. Only 6 kilometers, over 3 hours from Lukla to Phakding. Suhana Safar, Mausam Hasi. Know what we mean?